Okay guys, welcome again on a new method on how to make money online. In this quick video, I'm going to share with you how you can earn up to $500 for yourself as in Nigeria or as an outside what Nigeria. All you just have to do for you to make this happen is for you to make sure that you watch this video right from this beginning until the what until the very end, and make sure that you didn't skip any part of this video, because this video may be somehow trickish, but I will break it down step by step on how you can make it happen, how to make that $500 for yourself as in Nigeria or as an outside what Nigeria. But before I will show you how you can make that happen, guys, let's introduce ourselves. If you're my existing subscriber, you are welcome, and if today is your first time of coming across my channel, my name is Eric Diamond, and on this channel I take complex principles, I bring them into easy bits for an average Nigerian to take better their finance. So guys, in exchange to this, all I just want you to do is for you to support my channel by subscribing to my channel and what turning up the bell notification icon, so that each time I upload a video just like this one, you will be the first to be what to be notified. And guys, let's jump into today's video, because I don't want to waste much of your time at all, because we have a long way to go. You can see right here on my phone screen right away, guys, they are congratulating me. I've earned on this what platform. How can you earn this $500 for yourself? Guys, just make sure that you watch this video until the very end. As you can see right here, when you convert $524 to Nigeria currency, you are going to earn 797,537 what naira. Earning this as a side hustle, guy, is a reasonable amount of what money. And guys, how can you make this happen? How can you earn this amount of money for yourself? It's just by watching video right here on this what platform, and you are going to what get paid for each minute, each second that you watch video on the platform. Guys, let me show you how to watch video and earn money on this what platform. All you just have to do for you to start watching video on this platform is for you to click on watch paid videos right away. Let's click on it and let allow it to load. Let allow it to load. Let allow it to load. Is loading. And guys, you can watch your favorite movie right here on this platform, and you are going to get paid for each minute, each second that you watch video on the platform. Let me show you an example. Let me look for a video to click, so that I will show you how it can work, how you can make it happen for you to earn the $500 for yourself. So let's click on this face fat. Let me click on it. Let's wait for it to load. So let's wait for it to load, so that I will show you how to make money by just watching video on this platform. Let's wait. So guys, as you can see, guys, just be watching this video. As you can see, guys, it's loading, it's reading. You can see it's increasing by 2 cents, increasing by 2 cents, guys. This is how you are what making money on this what platform, by watching your favorite movie here on this platform. And this platform is sponsored by what YouTube. You are watching YouTube video and you are what not getting paid, but on this platform you are going to watch your favorite movie, your favorite video, and you are going to get paid for each second you watch movie on this one platform. And guys, how can you get started and how can you register so that you can start making money for yourself? Just go ahead to the video description and click the first link right there. to sign up to this platform and start making money for yourself. If you can do this over and over, you can earn reasonable amount of money for yourself as in Nigeria or as an outside Nigeria, because the best part of this website is that it is available worldwide, either in Nigeria, in Ghana, in South Africa, in USA, in London. You can make use of this platform and get real money for yourself. And guys, these are the requirements that you need before you can what? Place a withdrawal. Place a withdrawal on this platform. The number one here is what? Is this is a minimum amount allowed to what? Withdraw, which is $500. You need to have $500 on this platform before you can withdraw your earnings. And the second part is you need 500 minutes, 500 what watch minutes before you can place a withdrawal on this world platform. Minimum time that you are expected to watch sponsored video is what? 500 what minutes before you can what place a withdrawal on this platform. And as a YouTuber, before you can get paid by YouTube, you need a minimum of what? 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 what watch time hour on this platform. You need what? 500 what dollars, and you need what? 500 minutes, and you need what? 20 referrals before you can place a withdrawal on this platform. And also you need minimum of watch time for your referral, which is what? 2,000, just 2,000 watch time from your referral before you can earn money on this what platform. And guys, you have friends, you have relatives, you can even go ahead and promote your link on your what? Facebook account, on your Instagram account, on your Twitter account, on your WhatsApp account. You can go ahead and promote this and get that 20 people and start making money for yourself. And guys, it's not until you have 20 referrals before you can start earning on the platform. You can start earning on the platform even without any what? Referral. And these are the proof of payment that this website is claiming the people have withdrawn on this platform. You can see this person have withdrawn over $1,000. This person have withdrawn over $800. This person have withdrawn over $1,000. Guys, people are making use of this website to what? Cash out. You can check it out by getting registered. And guys, for you to earn more on the platform, it's just for you what? To refer your friends and relative. And how can you refer your friends and relative? Just click on this three group right here. You click on referrals and you scroll downward, and you can see invite your friends to earn 30% withdrawable commission of their total earnings. When you refer a friend and after you withdraw yours, we are going to earn 30% for each referral that you refer to the platform. As you can see, guys, I've referred some, and the total minute that they have watched a video is what more than 40 minutes here on the platform. And guys, for you to know whether this platform is really paying, just subscribe to my channel, because by the time I get up to 20 referrals, I am going to what? Place a live withdrawal on the platform so that you won't miss it out. Guys, just make sure that you start yours right away and start making money for yourself. This is the end of my video because I don't want this video to be more longer than this. Thank you for watching this video until the very end. Until we meet again, until then, bye bye for now.